Hello everyone. My name is Subham. I am from Bhopal. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Electronic and Communication in 2019 from Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. I am searching for a job in IT company, but unfortunately, I was not getting success after searching a long time. I heard about the eVision TechnoServe Private Limited and OGT program. I found that the eVision TechnoServe decided to join the internship program after joining to decide to joining internship. Then after joining the internship, I got real-time work experience as a pure technology like CCNA, routing, switching in cyber security window service station, and also a Linux administration. Then a different trainer for a different module like Roshan sir, Tarun sir, Rahul sir, Vibhusi sir. In window administration module, I learned different administration tool like task scheduler, BMBR, local user and globes, device manager, disk management, disk fermentation, disk cleanup, and also learn password policy for Windows. Then I also learn how to take Windows OS backup using recover driver, and also learn how to secure the disk driver and with a BitLocker encryption. Then I learn about the Windows Server 2012 R2, about domain environment and work group environment, and about the domain directory service ADDS, and also about the domain controller. Then I learn how to create a new user when when then process of domain joining, then DCP configuration, and how to install Windows OS in a domain network to Windows Deployment Service WDS. Also run about the mailing system, about MS Outlook, about the different protocols such as IMAP, POP, and SMTP. And I also learn as a manual and automatically Outlook mail configuration. Then also learn how to take remote access through RDP. Then in CCNA module, I learn a good practical and also theoretical concepts such as a basic of IP address, then what different type of cable use in the network. Then I learn how to configure static routing and dynamic routing configurations such as RIP, EIGRP, OSPF, and also learn DHCP and HSRP configuration. How to learn remote access of router through console cable, and as well as Telnet and SSS. Then I learned subnetting concept and different type of WAN technology like CHAP and PAP authentication, and frame relay and its configuration. And also run the different type of NAT type, that is a network address translation. Then I learn about the switching concept, VLAN, inter VLAN routing, trunk encapsulation protocol, VLAN trunk protocol, and also learn dynamic trunk protocol and different routing. Then the wireless concept and IPv6 addressing, and many more things on this internship. During this internship, I learned a different troubleshooting concept for a different issue like BSOD issue, black screen issue, driver issue, system hanging issue, incoming and outgoing mail sending and receiving issue, PST backup and recovery issue, then new PST creation issue. I think every practical was equivalent to IT company experience. Then I feel that 80 to 90%, or I say that 100% confident for each and every theoretical concept and practical of CCNA and window administration cover. During this internship module, after every weekend, there was a mock interview and or a PPT presentation. on the concept cover in the first week, and I faced 4 to 5 mock interview, and I helped to create and explain explain confident is a different CCNA concept, and each and every interview I got to know my mistake and about the concept which I was weak. I want to keep going effort and prepare concept again, and I know I feel confident to show my skill and knowledge in real time interview. I can prove for my skill with the different skills of Windows administration and as well as the CCNA routing and switching. Uh, which I gained during internship in the real interview as well as a real time issue after joining any organization. I am ready to face real time interview and IT and I confident that I crack the interview in a first attempt. I sure that I will prove assist for the company and I try to contribute 100% for the company. Thank you so much.